Hello, my name is Melissa. Welcome back to my channel. It has been a fun December with you, and we are all the way to December 21st, getting closer and closer to Christmas Day. We're going to open our Breyer Advent Calendar box in just a few minutes. But first, let us pop in on Zoe's friends today. Zoe is still recovering from her hurt arm, and so we're going to be just helping out her friends as they are decorating for her big surprise. And it's going to be a little bit of a surprise for you too. I'm going to tell you about it in just a few minutes. But before we do any of that, let us pick up back on our story of the gift of choice that God gave us. Yesterday, we talked about how bad choices, when we disobey God or when we make choices that are harmful and hurtful to each other, that creates a darkness in our heart. And that darkness, God made a way for people to help lift that darkness so it didn't have to be there anymore. That was a lot of work. There was a lot of work that people had to do in order to repent, to say they're sorry before Jesus came. And for some people, that darkness, they would make so many choices over and over and over that darkness would become so heavy. There was no power on earth that was great enough to lift it. No process that God put in place was great enough because he was using all of the things on the earth, and none of it was strong enough to lift the heavy, heavy darkness. So God and Jesus got together, they had a plan, and God sent Jesus to earth. It's what we celebrate in December, is Jesus being born. When Jesus was born, there was a great light that came into the earth, and it was a light that was greater than anything on earth, and a light that is greater than darkness always. It tells us when we read John chapter 1, it says, in him, that means Jesus, there was life, and that life was the light of all mankind. The light shines in the darkness, and the darkness does not overcome it. What it means is that the light is always stronger than a darkness, so that when we make bad choices, the light of Jesus can come in, and no matter what we've done, can lift away that darkness. And it is truly just as easy as asking God to forgive us. When we are Christians, when we've asked Jesus into our heart to be the Lord of our life, when we recognize that we make mistakes sometimes, because we all do, then we become part of God's family. And we can ask at any moment when we make a bad choice for God to forgive us. And the light of Jesus comes in and it removes the darkness out of our heart. Now, there may still be consequences because we may still have to apologize, or we may have to be nice or give something back or fix something. But that darkness is not there anymore. So that means the death is not there anymore. And that's a really, really amazing gift. We're going to talk a little bit more about that gift and Jesus being born, the gift of choice, and then the gift of life and of light that we celebrate in December tomorrow. But right now, guess what? Yep, time for our Breyer Advent box opening. And let's see what we've got today. Day 21. All right, we're going to let Zoe's friends keep decorating, but I wanted to tell you her surprise is going to be really fun. And I was thinking it would be kind of fun if you had a sneak peek on Christmas Eve. So it's a little bit bigger than what we normally do in our Advent unboxing video. So it's going to have a whole separate video, its own video, and it's going to be really cool. I'm going to show it to you on Christmas Eve, then we'll show it to Zoe on Christmas Day. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so when that pops up, you will be able to see it right away. All right, guys, that's all for today. I will see you tomorrow.